So how do you delete all spam messages on your Android? Let's get started. So if you are using the Samsung messages like I do or Google Message app, you can hold down on the individual chats which you deemed to be spam and then select all of the threads, right? So you can go one by one and click on the little trash can icon which will make them delete. So you manually can select the spam text and then remove them, right? So then don't forget to check out the recently deleted folder or the trash folder where you need to make sure that you permanently remove it from there as well. But I get the point and I understand the problem that sometimes it's kind of hard to go through all of the messages where, you decided that it's a spam or not. So you can get a different messages client. There is an app called Mezzo SMS, and I'm not affiliated with any of the apps which I mentioned in my videos, by the way, but it is an app which you can get, and it is designed to filter spam messages. So it has been kind of made with this intention. So you can go to the more options, and there is the blocked and allow list, and you'll be able to see and check some spam messages based on filters, right? So you can block number series, or you can block messages by keywords or content, or you can block email addresses, unknown groups, and so much stuff, right? Which allows you more filtering. And using this filtering, you'll be able to clearly see which texts are just spam, and you'll be able to delete them right away. So just a little tip right there. Let me know if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future tutorials.